Hey there, food enthusiasts! Welcome back to another episode of Food History Chronicles. Today, we're diving deep into the world of everyone's favorite snack, the humble yet irresistible potato chip. Ever found yourself munching on potato chips and wondered, who on earth came up with this crunchy goodness? Well, subscribe now because we're about to uncover the fascinating history, intriguing facts, and untold stories behind the evolution of potato chips. Our journey begins in the 19th century with a man named George Crumb. Legend has it that in 1853, George, a chef at Moon's Lake House in Saratoga Springs, New York, faced a peculiar complaint about his fries being too thick. In response, George decided to slice the potatoes razor thin, fry them until they were crispy, and season them generously with salt. Little did he know, he was about to create a culinary sensation. Those thin, crispy slices of potato became an instant hit at Moon's Lake House, and soon they spread like wildfire. What started as a solution to a customer's complaint turned into a culinary sensation that would stand the test of time. As potato chips gained popularity, more variations and flavors emerged. Soon, different companies began to experiment with seasonings and cooking methods, giving birth to a diverse array of potato chip options. Fast forward to the 20th century, and we witness the industrial revolution of potato chips. The process became more sophisticated, and the demand for this delectable snack skyrocketed. Not only did potato chips become a staple snack, but they also found their way into pop culture. Movies, TV shows, and advertisements began featuring this crispy delight, solidifying its place in the hearts of people worldwide. Now let's explore some lesser-known facts and stories that make the potato chip journey even more intriguing. Did you know that during World War II, potato chips faced a temporary setback? Due to rationing, the production of potato chips slowed down, but their popularity only grew stronger post-war. And here's a curious tidbit. In 2008, researchers discovered that the perfect potato chip should be about 0.07 inches thick. Talk about precision in snacking! As we approach the present day, the world of potato chips is witnessing a renaissance. Innovative flavors, alternative ingredients, and sustainable packaging are shaping the future of this iconic snack. With gourmet chip shops popping up and chefs experimenting with unique flavor combinations, the potato chip is evolving beyond our wildest imaginations. Potato chips aren't just a snack, they've become ingrained in our culture. From family picnics to movie nights, these crispy delights have a special place in our hearts. In the 21st century, social media has played a significant role in the potato chip phenomenon. Chip challenges, flavor contests, and chip enthusiasts sharing their favorites have created a vibrant online chip community. There you have it, the incredible journey of the potato chip, from a kitchen innovation to a global sensation. So the next time you enjoy a bag of potato chips, remember the crispy chronicles that brought this delightful snack into existence. Each chip tells a story, a tale of innovation, resilience, and the pure joy of indulging in a satisfying crunch. So, whether you're a fan of the classics or an adventurer in the world of unique flavors, there's a chip for every palate. From the humble beginnings in George Crumb's kitchen to the cutting-edge factories of today, the legacy of the potato chip is a testament to the power of culinary creativity and the simple pleasures that unite us all. So, my fellow food enthusiasts, here's to the potato chip, a crispy delight that has stood the test of time and continues to bring joy to snack lovers worldwide. Today's potato chip production is a symphony of technology and craftsmanship. From the precise slicing of potatoes to the artful application of seasonings, every step is a testament to the dedication of those who bring these crunchy delights to our fingertips. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tasty tales.